Hey everyone, welcome back to Krista B Talks. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Today we have a special guest. His name is Romon Logan. He's an entrepreneur and he helps other entrepreneurs secure business funding. One of the easiest ways to make money right now is utilizing artificial intelligence or AI. One of the biggest tools of AI is Chat GPT. Chat GPT is essentially a writing tool that can think and write like a human would. Now you may have heard of Chat GPT, but not actually utilizing it to make money. And today we're going to teach you how. So Ramon, what are some practical tips for someone to leverage the power of AI to have financial gain?
Right. So I can speak from a business standpoint because, of course, we utilize it in business. But, right, ChatGPT, we use it to write our copy. Our copy is essentially the persuasive writing. Maybe you're trying to buy tickets. Maybe you're trying to go to a conference, right? And just all of the letters and all the paragraphs that you read to actually buy that ticket, that's copy, right? So we use it to write copy. We use it to write our emails. Use it to write our SMS campaigns and just stuff like that. So I'll use AI because it just takes a lot of that manual work in from trying to get those emails, trying to think of all that type of stuff. So it saves time for sure. Sell what industry? So I don't know, hair, right? If I say hair, hey, give me a 7-day nurture sequence for all my new leads to give them tips on how to style this or how to the best products to use for this specific style, whatever it is, right? So ChatGPT, I'll use that to create those emails. I'll use it to create that text message campaign because once they have the tips in that email, it's like, yo, they're dropping some games, some free game in the email. And then on that 7th email, I mean, it's, hey, on the 7th email, create a call to action for them to buy my hair product ebook, whatever it is, right? So once they get all those emails, ChatGPT will say, hey, day 1, this is this tip for this, or day 2, day 3, 4, day 5, so on and so forth. And then by the time the 7th day comes and it's going to get that call to action, what you've done is essentially nurture that lead to be able to, give them somewhere to buy. So ChatGPT can do all of that. So that's pretty much how we use it. I would say ChatGPT, of course, just makes copy, emails, all that type of stuff. With Instagram, right? I like it's called ManyChat. ManyChat is when I make a video, right? May get some free game. It's like, well, this is really good information. How can I learn more? I say comment the word 100K to get this free ebook.
So Ramon, can people use AI to help with their credit?
Yeah, I mean, help from a standpoint of building, from repairing, like what type of help? Because there's some people who messed up, right? You may need to go somewhere. But like say you're building up, you're starting from ground zero. I said number 1, you just want to know how to build that up, the right things to put on. So you may say, hey, I'm starting off. Give me a blueprint for whatever your goal is, right? You're trying to get to 700. That's not hard, but you want to have a built-out report. Credit report is better than your score. All that means is your makeup of that report is more important than that score. You can have a 700, get denied for everything because you're just an authorized user on your credits, parents' credits.
Sure.
So, but you want to build primary credit. So you want to say something like, hey, I'm starting off with my credit. My goal is to maybe get a house in 5, 10 years, whatever. Give me a step-by-step blueprint to achieve that goal. Maybe you're in the process of repairing. Like, yes, they can make, I've seen like dispute letters. Dispute letters is say you have negative marks in your report, late payments or collection accounts. They can make dispute letters. Those aren't the most effective though when trying to send them out, only because you have what's called eOscar. eOscar is a system that the bureaus use, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, to verify letters. Oftentimes when it's not in the right format, they can deny it. So ChatGPT may not be the best for that, but if you just want to start to build out, then yes. To repair, maybe not the best. Yeah.
Okay. I also want to mention from my personal experience that you can use ChatGPT to do freelance writing. I know that's coming very popular. So freelance writing is a good job to use with ChatGPT. So Romon, also, where can the viewers find you to start building business capital with you?
I said really, I mean, I'm on Instagram, of course, Romon Logan, Romon Logan. That's the only account. Cause I know there's some like a few like faker accounts out there. But just LoganLegacyEnterprise.com. You can apply, hop on a call with our team, see if you're a good fit. If not, I said we have other resources. Like, so we have ebooks, we have trainings on the website. But you know, if you are a CEO looking to scale, looking to get capital, so you just hop on a call with our team Monday through Friday, and they can get you started.
Cool. And what other advice would you give to already business owners or business owners that trying to start up?
I say just find somebody, like we said earlier, who's been where you're trying to go and can teach you to do the same. Surround yourself with the right people, like-minded people. Bet on yourself. Don't care what other people say. I said, starting off, really, you got to put the money first too. People scared to charge. All right, we in business, like I said, you gotta. No business is running without money. I said, charge your price, right? Know your worth. If you know you're good, like the best isn't the cheapest isn't the best. So if you know you're good.
Ooh, say that one more time slowly. That was a good one.
So the best isn't the cheapest isn't the best. So you know you have really good work. I said you can do it. I said my guy Jaden, for example, I'll drop his name, whatever. He was charging a year ago $200 for like videography. Now he got clients $7K, $15K. I'm like, bro, you got good work, go charge it. Because the people who will pay you what you're worth, you should have to charge. Because if you know you're good and you're not charging accordingly, well, people are gonna overlook your pricing. So you always, if you know that you're good, say charge what you know your worth. And anything else? Nah, I feel like that's a solid few months to go off on.
Yeah, I love that. You got to know your worth. That's very important. So thanks everybody for tuning in to Crystal B Talks. And if you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys.